Hey, use it. Drive. On your toes. Hop. Boom. Now run him over. Run him over. Drive. Use it, Abe. Grab that wrist. Keep pulling that wrist. On the side, Avery. Keep your leg up. Keep driving. Drive. On your toes and drive. Squeeze it. Right there. Squeeze his head. Scoop that head, Avery. Scoop that head, Avery. Right there. Squeeze. Sit hard. Squeeze it. That's it. Squeeze him. On your toes, Abe. On your toes. That's how we do it, baby. Do it again. Good job.
You took a shot? I missed it.
Confirm.
You took a shot.
Hey, get up. Come on. Hey. Jump bottom. Work. Hey. You got that, baby. Wrist elbow, baby.
Coach Glenn.
Take him back down. Right there. Wrist elbow. Work it. Work it. Straight to the back. Straight.
That's going to
Right there. Cradle. Boom. Lock it up. Work it. Head to the leg. Under the arm. Right there. Use it. Avery. Get your side. Get behind him. Other side. Now drive. Get your arm back.
Monster.
Right there. Lock it up. Use it, Avery. Reach through his back. Monster, Avery. Reach through. Right there. Run him over. Lock it up, tighten. Arch your back and look up. Baby. Arch your back. Squeeze. Arch your back and look up.
Get the fall.
8.
You all right? Come on, stand up.
Don't be leaving that in the room, man. That's all money, man.
Yeah. Put him on top again, bro. Let him ride that kid out.
Come on, Avery.
Yeah, that kid don't know what he's doing no more. Hey, do it again. Work it, Avery.
Work it 3/4, Avery.
Right there, squid. No, hey.
Hold it.
Keep it. Sink your hips and look up, Avery. Sink your hips and look up. Get that leg.
Don't give it up.
Step up, Avery. Step up and drive. Drive, Avery. Avery, get that leg and drive. Avery, get that arm back. Hey, Avery. Just work your base. Get in your base and chill. Head up. Avery, turn away and chill. Hey, wait. Whoa. Watch that arm. Hey, you're going to let that back speed. Get his leg, Avery. Avery, get that leg. Avery, 5 seconds. Fight. Good job. Fight.
Off his knees.
Hey, you got lazy. Whoa.
Ball winning.
Coach Blum, I do not want a shot of your butt. Thank you.